everyone, welcome to Jelly Molly TV. Today we're going to be unwrapping present number 4 from Jenny's Countdown to Christmas 2024. This is the package, isn't that cool? And I love the wrapping. I love how she does those little extra touches. I think it's really cool. All right, so are we ready to unbox number 4? Let's take a look. There's number 4. You ready? All right, let's do it. See if I can do it ever so carefully and keep the seal intact, because I'm going to save this wrap. I don't know what I'm going to do with it just yet, but I'm going to save it. I'll figure something out. Okay, we ready? Let's take a sneak peek. What do we see? Oh, here we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's double check. Nothing else in there? Nope. All right, let's put this off to one side. Ah, isn't this cool? This is labeled Welcome Home. Project patterns for scraps and a panel. This is cute. I love houses. I love doll houses. I love little miniature towns, Lego houses, all those cute things. And I definitely, number 1, love quilt houses. So this is adorable. And what is this? This is a panel. Oh, look at this. They're like doors for buildings. Oh my gosh. So if you can't really see that well, let's pull it up here. Each building has a door. And it's a different printed door. So are you telling me that this quilt panel is a panel of doors? Look at this. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, I have to make this. Yeah, I definitely have to make this. This is called Welcome Home by Missouri Star Quilt Company. It has a whole bunch of doors on it, and some of the doors have little kitty cats. Some of them have little doggies. Oh, look at the gingerbread door. Oh, I love that one. No place like home, with a little Dalmatian puppy. Oh my goodness. Are they all different? Let's see. Hello, friend. Home. Here we go. Let's open this up. Oh my gosh. I think they're all different. Look at this. It's a sewing machine. Home. Santa Claus. There's Chuck. Look at that. Gingerbread. Another snowman. Crackling fireplace with a kitty. Home sweet. No, they're all different. Wow. There's Chuck again in his little snow suit with his little hat. And then over here, we have some fabric pieces. So we've got some with, it's like a dark teal with candy canes, ornaments. And then we have this piece up here, which is Christmas lights. Okay, so let's turn around the other side. Look at these doors. Isn't that cute? Yeah, they're all different. They're all different. How smart is this idea? Little doggies with the quilts in the window. Oh my goodness. Look at all those. Oh, I didn't even notice the wood panel at the edge. Ah, there's a little wood panel. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. All right. Let's put all that out and let's take a look at this pattern. Welcome Home, project for scraps and a panel. So all we're going to really need to have is the scraps for the houses. It's a 39 inch by 39 inch. And you're going to have 12 and a half unfinished size blocks, 12-inch finished. Okay, and then 6-inch unfinished, 5.5 finished. Okay, that makes sense. You need the panel and some scraps, equivalent to approximately 62 5-inch squares, just for the houses, and 4 6.5-inch squares. That's so cool. Okay, I can't show the pattern. I'm just curious if there's any pictures. There's a picture. I can show the picture. Look at that. That is so cool. And there's also a variation right there, so you can do it like streets of houses. I kind of like that. That's so cool. Okay, we're making this. This is awesome. So this was gift number 4. I tell you, this box already to me is worth it because Jenny has done some really quality stuff in here. And everything so far, the first 4, I'm keeping. Definitely keeping and making. And we may even do it as projects on this channel. How about that? That sounds like fun. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of gift number 4. And I hope you stay tuned here on Jolly Molly TV and come back tomorrow where we unbox and unwrap gift number 5. And until then, have a wonderful day. Happy stitching. Bye-bye.